The art collective Random International, best known for their interactive Rain Room installation, lit up Art Basel Miami Beach this year with a new immersive experience called Living Room.
The living room is a very, very special installation because it's on-chain. So basically there's 1,500 lights, more or less, and a data system with an algorithm that is tracking your movements. And you are co-creating with what I would define a light sculpture. It's a sculptural installation where you co-create with the machine.
When you come in, you enter the room, and we have a sea of light sources on the ceiling that create these very nice parallel beams. And they react to you, they create pathways, they follow you, so they create an individual environment for you. So you can either follow, or you can deny where it wants to guide you, or you can find out why maybe. Ideally we want people to feel a bit unease and to try to find out what's going on. You know, why you're seen, how you're seen, and what the room wants from you.
There's a good level of discomfort to be experienced in that space, I think, but also a level of connection that I think that it's this ambiguity, this dissonance that we have with digital media in our lives.
Using lights, fog, and sounds, the environment tracks and responds to visitors moving through it, then captures each individual's data in the form of an NFT.
It's unprecedented. The fact that it's purely physical, but at the same time gathering your data, and then there's an output, I think is a new type of creation of art that really inspires us, to push forward, because it advances art, to different audiences. It's pushing forward the limit of technology using art.
NFT is one of these things that nobody really understands, that has a very ephemeral quality, and we build that work so that the entire experience is captured the whole time in that format. So you can dive into this space, which we manifest through light and fog. That's materials, I think, that have been used in art for decades now. And we use those media we add code and cameras and sensor tracking to it, but we use that to then give you a new format of keeping that experience, of remembering it.
Despite many ups and downs, NFTs and blockchain technology have been heralded by some as fixes to many of the art world's most persistent problems. For one, credibility.
The NFT to me is crucial. But what I think is even more interesting is blockchain itself as a tool for society in general. The NFT in a way is a certificate of authentication. So already today, collectors that own the NFT work of a digital art piece is worth like 100% more than if you don't have it. So the NFT is just at the service of art to legitimize the origin.
Digital certificates of ownership attached to a work can make sure what you're buying is the real deal. It can also help artists do something they've never really been able to: profit off of the secondary market. Code can be attached to a work of art that ensures the creator of the piece gets a certain percentage of every sale. Visitors to the living room installation probably won't be reselling their NFT, but how the producers plan to use them is pretty novel. They're going to create a visual archive of the installation's life that will be minted as an NFT, making it the first archive of an immersive artwork to be stored on the blockchain.
NFTs are something that's privy to a very small, or has been privy to a very small number of very specialized people. And we see it much more as a format that allows for work like this to be shared, for experiences to be shared. And we've taken it a step further to make that statement. And in that sense, we're sort of trying to get you to mint an experience rather than just an image. Here we can make people into co-authors of an artwork. And that's to us, that's really, really interesting.